Hi, this video will introduce transistor, and we're going to use transistor as a switch to turn on a motor. Motor normally requires higher voltage, right? So we're going to use lower voltage circuit and to control a higher voltage circuit. So we're using transistor. And this is the wire diagram we will be using. So here is a base and a collector and emitter in the transistor. And for the base, it's connecting to the lower circuit voltage. It's digital pin number 4 and with 1 kilo ohms. And so if there's a current going through from B to E, and then that's going to be switching on the higher voltage right here. We're going to turn on the LED, and of course in our circuit we're going to have a motor. So let's take a look. So we already have this DC motor on, and it's a gear motor, and here's our LED. Then this is 0.47, 470 ohms, and this will be our 1 kilo ohms. All right. So first we're going to connect our digital pin number 4 right here, and we're connecting to this 1 kilo ohms. All right. Just to be double check, that is our 1 kilo ohms, right? And this 1 kilo ohms, you notice here it's connected to the base, and the base connected to the 1 kilo ohms, and then connected to our digital pin number 4. And now we're going to connect our 5 volts. So if you have a motor that requires more than 5 volts, what we could do, we can connect to this VIN. This one right here. That's going to be the external voltage required. Right now we're going to just use 5 volts. Connected to C. C is going to be that one. So that's connected to the C row. Then it's going to go through this transistor and come out to the E, and this E is going to connect into this 470 ohms, so they are connected. Then going on, connecting to this LED, then we're going to connect it to this motor. Okay, then the last one is going to be connected to the ground. All right, so we have our circuit. Now let's look at our coding. What we plan to do is we put this pin 4 as going to be our output, so pin mode 4 as output, and inside our loop we're going to write this pin 4 high and low alternate. So what do we expect is we're going to use this transistor to turn on this LED and this motor on and off. Okay, this is going to be really helpful in the real life application, because sometimes the higher voltage supply, for example motor, you can use the lower voltage here, for example pin 4, to control. So using transistor as a switch. Okay, so now let's go ahead and start our simulation, see what's happening. All right, that looks good. So it's blinking and the motor is turned on and off. So that's our transistor. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye.